All right, you see right there, you got 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it needs to be 4, 3, 2, 1 the other way, opposite. You can only move one piece of candy.
So I gotta move.
One piece of candy.
This has to be 1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-huh. You can only move one piece of candy.
Well, this one has to be 1.
Uh-huh. 2,
So
3.
it's gotta be that one.
You can only move one piece, any piece you want. It has to be.
Can I put it anywhere I want?
Yeah. You got it.
Ha!
You're smarter than Uncle Tommy.
I didn't think I was gonna be able to.
Now, this is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you have to make it where it's reversed. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can only move one piece of candy.
So let's go from. So this has to be 1. This has to be 2. This has to be 3. This has to be
Yeah, it has to be reversed. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like it only
And then it's got to go 1, 2, 3, 4 the other way. But you can only move one piece of candy.
There's several ways I can see this being a trick.
I believe
Like
it.
number 1, what if I just picked up the table and flipped around the table?
No, that
All
don't
right, so
count.
let's do it.
It can be done. It literally can be done. It's quite simple. It's just a little bit of a, holy crap, why didn't I see that?
Oh, I know. I'm already blind. It's waking up as it is.
But it's 4, 3, 2, 1. You got to make it 1, 2, 3, 4. With moving one piece of candy.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep.
You got it. Listen, it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
You can move one piece of candy and it's going to become 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very doable.
So just move 1 and it changes everything?
Yeah.
Any one piece of candy, one move. It's going to
So I
be
can only
completely
move
reversed.
1 piece of candy once.
Yes.
But I can move all of them once.
No.
No.
One piece of candy one time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it has to be 4, 3, 2, 1. Just revert. It has to be reversed.
No, you gotta go like this. That's
No, one
No, you
piece.
can't move all of them. It's not like a play on words.
Literally,
No, you can't do that one. I mean, you just sit here and do all the combinations, and
you can only move one piece one time.
no, it's, if I take my finger off, does that mean I'm done?
No.
No, you can think about it. You know how to do it, Warren?
Fourth one.
Warren might know.
So it's 4. You want 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
I couldn't figure it out.
I mean, you have to take this one out and put it right here. There you go. There it is.
Dang it.
He got it. You're smarter than your wife.
Yeah, much smarter.
Had to go.
Now we have proof.
Yes.
get to eat all
No, I'm mine.
Now you
I
get to
win.
Warren gets to eat all the candy.
No, it's mine.